What is up guys? As I mentioned in my unboxing of the Logitech G432, I will make a full review, and that's what this video is all about. So thanks again for Logitech Switzerland for providing me with this product. It would not be possible without them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for weekly content, of course reviews, unboxings and more. So let's jump right in without further talking. So this is the Logitech G432, a nice looking headset, but I'm not really a fan of the blue accents, but if you have a blue setup, I think they would fit perfectly. Actually, the quality could be a bit better. There are some issues, for example with the turning of the Earcups, but it's okay for me for 80 bucks. It would be also nice if there is more metal. The headband is out of metal, but you can't see it if it is on the smallest setting, so it looks a bit cheap. Of course you can adjust this, and there is a cushioning on the headband itself. It's made out of some plastic leather material, and actually it feels nice and it fits perfectly on my head. Of course you can tilt and adjust the ear cups as you want, and so they perfectly fit on every head. Here you can see the volume up and volume down. It's like a scroll wheel. It's the placement is okay. I would prefer it on the front instead of the back, but it's okay for me. I can easily reach it, and it's cool to adjust it. The cushioning on the ear cups is quite good. I like it. For me, it's comfortable to sit there a long time with the headset on. You can remove the cushions and clean it or whatever. That's very easy and useful. The cable is quite long, and it should be enough for every one of you. Also, if your PC is like 1 meter, 2 meters away from you, that should be enough cable. Of course you can use it with your Xbox controller, with your smartphone, although that is not the case with every smartphone. Apple? What's going on there? Okay, also some other companies, but Apple is well known for this. The microphone could sound better. I give you a quick sound test. Test 1 2 1 2 test. A good thing is though that you can adjust the microphone as you want to improve the sound quality a little bit. The sound quality of this headset with the new 50mm drivers is phenomenal when you watch movies or you game, but it's not that good when you listen to music because it sounds quite muddy. But overall, great headset for 80 bucks. Thanks Logitech, and give that video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.